happening? This is your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. And right now I'm about to whoop up a dish I've been thinking about. Check out what I'm calling my breakfast pasta. Peep game. Alright, so this is what I'm starting off with. I'm going to use these tortillas. I got some cheese. Got some eggs. We're going to hook that up with some chorizo. Then I'm going to make some good grits. That's what the cheese is for. With these tortillas, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them up in little strips with a pizza cutter to resemble noodles. Peep game. Alright, so I got the tortillas together. Just cut them up in little strips, little noodles. So now, I'm about to whoop up this chorizo. Alright, so I got the chorizo done. What I'm about to whoop up now is get on these cheese grits. Now everybody got their own way. This is how I do mine. Check it out. So what I added there, I added 2 cups of water and 2 cups of milk. Okay, so let's get our so-called pasta together. So what I got here is I got 2 tablespoons of some buttered flavored shortening. And we're going to go ahead and throw these tortillas in here. And we're not trying to get a hard fry on them. All I'm going to do is just soften these bad boys up and put some color on them. Alright, so this is what we did here. You know, we just softened them up a little bit. Got that little fettuccine look. You know what I mean? You can switch out the tortillas if you want to go a little bit more healthier and use corn tortillas or low carb or whatever you want to use. Just in case you was wondering, I did the bacon in the oven. Alright, so this is how I'm going to get this started. I got some of these tortillas, little tortilla strips that I cut up with the pizza cutter. And then I sauteed them in some butter flavored shortening. And to that, I'm going to go ahead and add me some of these nice, look at that, nice cheese grits, boy. Look at that. That's how you know you did your grit right, is when you're done and then you have them sitting off to the side and they still like this. They're not all like a big grit cake. So we're going to take some of this. And that's that chorizo and egg we whooped up. And we're going to put a little bit on here. So we're just going to do it like that. Just like that. Look at that, man. I mean, that's looking pasta-ish. So we're done with that. And then what we do to add to that is we get our chorizo in there. I mean, we're using the same spoon, so what? So I got this together. Nice little bowl. Got the grits, the chorizo, eggs, cheese grits. I think I started off with 6 pieces of cheese, but it wasn't cheesy enough, so I added another piece. Threw 3 tablespoons of butter in there. The measurements was half water, half milk, whatever the back of the container says for you. But I'll just break it in half. And like I said, you know, during the whole cooking process, I had bacon in the oven. Yeah. Of course, you cannot do no breakfast without bacon. You know, we just gonna go ahead and make it rain bacon. Yeah. So as you can see, I got all my bacon on there, and we need a little sauce. So, do I need to say it? Yeah. And we just gonna go ahead and get a little sauce on there. All right, there you go, your boy's breakfast pasta. Hey, I want everybody to try this out. Let me know what you think. All right, let's get a bite. Okay, there it is. My breakfast pasta. Okay, just made this up. Been thinking about it all week, and so I'm gonna see what it come out with. So, tortillas, sauteed in some butter flavored shortening, cheese grits, chorizo and eggs, topped with crumbled bacon, and some of that OG Warren G Sniffin Griffin OG spicy. So let's get a little taste here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. I might be on to something here. Well, that's good. The way them the chorizo and the grits go together. And you got the tortilla bringing it down. Little bacon crunchies up in there. And then the sausage brings it together. Yeah, this is good. Man. Alright. That was amazing. I'm glad I did it. I hope you try it. If you put a twist to it, let me know what's up. It's your boy Keenan. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I got some TikTok videos out there. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. Be sure to subscribe. That's right.